Hello guys, how are you? I hope you are healthy and happy. Welcome back to my channel, and now we will discuss about HTML. What is the full form of HTML and what is HTML and example of HTML and example of HTML with editor. So let's start. At first, how can we define the HTML? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. Okay, it is the markup language. And HTML is used to create web pages and web applications. HTML is widely used language on the web. We can create a static website by HTML only. Technically, HTML is a markup language rather than the programming language. So we want to describe HTML with enjoyable way. So we can say that HTML is fun and it's very easy to learn. So so we can see that HTML is a hypertext markup language. So it is the hypertext markup language which is used for creating web pages and web application. So how can we define the hypertext? Hypertext means text within text. Okay, a text has a link within it is a hypertext. Whenever you click on a link which brings you a new web page, you have clicked on a hypertext. Hypertext is a way to link two or more web pages with each other. So we can define the hypertext in this way. And what is markup language? A markup language is a computer language that is used to apply layout and formatting conventions to a text document. Markup language makes text more interactive and dynamic. It can turn text into images, tables, links, etc. So, at last point, what is web page? What is web page? A web page is a document which is commonly written in HTML and translated by a web browser. A web page can be identified by entering an URL. A web page can be of a static or dynamic type. Okay, with the help of HTML only we can create static web pages. So we can say that HTML is a markup language which is used for creating attractive web pages with the help of styling and which looks in a nice format on a web browser. Okay, and HTML documents is made of many HTML tags and each HTML tag contains different content. So this is the basic information about HTML. And I I have described I have described about hypertext markup language and web page. Okay, and now let's see a simple example of HTML. So I have to click the VS Code here and open a folder which I have created, text folder, and select folder. Then here normal I can create a web pages. So it is the normal and simple example of HTML. So you can write here normal. Okay. Okay, you can write here something. Icon. And after that I can write HTML. Okay, after that head tag, after that title, after that here you can write title of your web pages, like we can write web pages, web page title. Okay, after that I have to write here, like I have to write here after the head tag I have to write here body tag. Okay, and under the body we can write heading 1 tag यानी कि h1. We can write heading 1 tag, whatever I want I can write here as a heading. So I can write here, write your first heading. Okay, after that you can write here the paragraph tag, and middle and between the paragraph tag you can write your paragraph also, like we can write here like that. Okay, okay, so I will check what is the result of that. Here it will show it is the heading and it is the paragraph. Okay, and the title of the web page is also available. You can see here is the web page title. You can see here. Okay, this is the title and this is the uh, heading 1 and this is the paragraph. So it will show properly. So you can see here, and after that this is the normal example of HTML. So it is the basic example of HTML. So I will discuss the brief history of HTML and HTML versions. So in next class we will discuss about that. So today I will stop here. So bye bye. So bye bye everyone, and see you soon in next video. Have a great day. Bye.